Don't know what an FLTC is, do you know? There you go, lights on. Then we need the shovel head pieces, parts and pieces.
Plugged?
Plugged. It's called an oil gallery, they're always plugged.
Oh.
Okay, here. Look at the difference with thumbs.
Wow.
Be blasted, not be blasted. It hurts though when you blast that. But it cleans the dirt off really good. Cleans the nail off too, look at that. Smooth. Definitely feel it though. Did that twice. After the second time, that hurts. I'm gonna quit doing that. Okay, here's all our keepers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we gotta pick out 2 we don't like. Okay, we only got one shim.
Yeah. Let's see if there's some over here that didn't fall off.
These are dirty.
You got a magnet?
No. Don't worry about them. Okay. Here's collars. Collar. What are you filming over there? What are you filming?
The valves?
Collar. Oh, a bunch of collars. More collars. That doesn't fit.
Probably because the little spring isn't all the way down.
That's right. Collars. Only this one's stuck in there. Okay, we gotta pick out 6 of these.
6?
Yep.
There's 6.
Perfect. Now these like to break through the holes.
Yeah.
So you gotta look through the holes and make sure there's nothing that looks like it might break. You said somebody was over-revving this thing once or twice?
Allegedly. According to you.
Otherwise replace all this crap and put new shit.
Otherwise that.
Depends on how much money you want to spend. Now this one here looks like it's eating on the outside of it, so
and
you can see a crack.
There's a crack.
And you can see a crack right here.
Yeah.
And another one over here.
Yep. So I'm guessing we don't use that one.
I'm thinking this whole assembly we just won't use, but we will need to use the lower collar off of it though, so keep that. You can clean it very well. Okay, so this one here is not good. Okay, we're down to 5 now. And this one here looks okay.
Looks good. Looks good.
Looks good to me too. We're down to 1.
Uh-oh. Now we got to pick and choose.
This one's dirtier, so... These are shinier. I like the shinier ones. So now we got down to just 2 we don't like. This one's got a rub mark on the outside.
I see that.
This one doesn't. Other than that, there's nothing wrong with it. Okay, now I gotta make sure there's no rust on the springs. Out of these good ones. I don't see no rust. You're also looking for any broken springs too. That's kind of an important thing too. No broken springs.
Not broken. Perfect.
So we have an extra one over there if we do. These appear to be stuck together, so they're not broken. And I'm not seeing no rust. Grinding on that thing though. Okay, that's that one. These appear to be good. Falling out. So those have red stripe. That has red stripe. These have no red stripe on them. So these are not red stripe springs. So do we want red stripe springs or not? If we do, we got a set of springs over here. We can steal them.
You think the poundage is different between the two?
I don't know.
Okay. We can test it though, no?
Right now I'm seeing no issues with the spring itself, but we know this thing's been run. We know it broke a collar, so we know it's been abused. I think I'd rather go with the ones that haven't been abused. Okay, well, we put reds on the exhaust or red on intake. So
what's with the different heights?
So this is the one that broke. This is the one that broke, so I think we'll put these on the exhaust because if we want a valve to break, it'll be on the exhaust, not the intake. We'll put these on the intake. With the different install heights, you mean?
Yeah, I said never mind. I realized that
It's the
one's
same
got a
after
collar.
the 0.
Yeah.
So remember, the red stripe goes on the exhaust because we want that to break first. Assuming this motor hasn't had any abuse done to it, you know it's perfect. Nobody would ever abuse an S&S motor.
No.
Yeah. Okay. Now we got valves. We got 2 exhaust valves, 3 intake valves. First thing I do is figure out if any of them are bent.
Yep. That one exhaust is questionable.
The easiest way to find out the valve is bent is to spin it. The easiest way to spin it is putting the valve around your machine. Looks fairly even for what it is. Watch your arm there. I guess if we got 2 exhaust valves now. Discolored but straight.
That one's got a wobble.
I think it's just discolored, like the last one. We'll put it over there just in case, because we got an extra one. That'll be the backup.
That one
Okay, so you like these 4 better than that one.
looks better. Yeah.
Okay, so this one here we're going to put down as the secondary valve. Okay.
Whoa.
What?
Oh, never mind.
What are you looking at, my foot?
Nothing.
Well, you don't like the mark on it?
Yeah.
What's wrong with that? You don't like the dimple in the end of it? You don't suppose the valve is a little beat on, do you? See, this one came out of the same motor. See, the 2 discolored valves are out of the same motors.
Yeah.
Tell. This came out of the other motor. This one, it was the bent one, right? So we know we got to grind the butts of them off because they're...
Yeah.
Okay, so we're narrowing down our field of our parts here. Okay, that was the easy stuff. Now for the hard part. We got 4 heads and 2 fronts are bad.
2 fronts.
Yep. You got 2 rears and 2 fronts, right?
Yeah. Why are 2 fronts bad?
We got a broken guide and broken stud.
Oh, yeah. Well, both one front and one rear is bad on the same engine.
Well, this one has good guides in it.
Well, that's the late model one.
Yeah.
It's got good guides. It's these 2 that are bad exhaust.
What's wrong with this one?
Cracked.
It is?
Yeah, right there.
Right there?
See it?
No.
Oh, wait.
No, I don't see it.
Huh.
Got the exhaust stud in it though.
Hold on a second. Let me see. No, yeah, look. Tatro.
Okay. What do I care about? See this?
Hold on, let me show the crack. Bink.
See the clearance here? Nice and loose.
Racing clearance.
It is racing clearance.
That's cracked. Oh, I'm still zoomed in.
This one's tighter. It's got all the carbon in the hole still. It's actually a tighter guide though. You see a crack in there?
Yeah.
You sure? Got a lot of carbon on it.
At the very top.
I just see carbon.
Look.
What?
Look on the camera.
What camera?
Hold on, let me zoom out.
Yeah.
There we go. See it?
No.
Look on the top of the guide.
That's just a hairline.
Oh, it's a crack.
Okay, we don't like that one. Okay, junk head. Good thing we don't need that one. Good thing we have a good head over here.
Perfect.
How's the intake valve there?
Little play.
Yeah, they're about equal.
Nice.
It's used. Used but equal. Sealing. Sealing. Okay, we can do a valve lap on that, call it done. We're doing a cheap valve job there for you because you're cheap. Okay, we got one. Okay, this is the other good head.
No.
But you didn't think you had that, like that broken tap in there.
Yeah, I didn't see that.
So what's wrong with that broken tap?
It's broken.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is that a problem?
I think so.
What about the blown exhaust? See how the exhaust gas is off of there too?
Yeah, well no, it'll seep past that. I don't really care about that.
Okay, we only need one, right? You got a broken valve guide?
Nope.
You sure?
Positive.
Okay. How about the exhaust fit? Nice.
Ooh.
Nice. Vintage. Well, same as the other one, loose. Intake's tighter, that's good. Tight intake is good.
Oh, I saw a piece of
No
light.
I didn't see any light.
I see light. I'm looking at light right now.
Where?
Hold on, I'll get it on camera. Let me turn the light off.
Nothing right there. I
Hold
don't see
on.
no light.
Stop. I can see light. You're looking at the here. Take the camera.
I'm looking right through the
Take
damn
the
hole.
camera.
What? I'm fucking looking at nothing.
Look, light. Backside, behind the valve.
Yeah, right there where I can't see no light.
Tatro, okay. Right now, I'm looking at light. Come here. Come where I'm sitting.
I don't see no light.
Look at the back, right side.
Still don't see a light.
Tatro, you're blind.
I might be. How come my camera's flashing at me?
I'm looking at light right now.
Good. Let me see it. Let me look. Here. I still don't see light.
Take it on this side. Right here.
I'll turn it the other way. Still don't see light.
Okay, look.
I don't care. I don't
I
care.
can see light.
I don't see light, and I
I
haven't even
do.
lapped the valve yet. It's not bent, and it's sealing
I
glued
saw
up.
light on both of them.
Good. Light in your head. You know what I do see? A broken tap.
Yeah, I see that too.
Okay, so this clip's hidden and requires work. Where's the other ones left? This one. Front. This has an intake thing on. That's good. You might need that.
Mm-hmm.
You know what else was different?
Mm.
Besides, it's hard to pick up this head when it falls out of your hand. I saw one didn't have the big spigot on the side of it.
No, they both got it.
Yep, they both got it. Okay, I thought I saw one was cut out. Okay, this one here appears to have threads in the hole.
Mm-hmm.
It's a good thing.
Is it?
Yeah.
We like threads. Your home battery or something.
I don't know. Something's flashing.
The yellow flash.
I don't know what that means.
Memory chip or
I
something.
don't know. It's got plenty of
Temperature. Oh, it's temperature.
It's temperature. It's cold in here. It's up to 60 and a half right now. Of course, I go over there, it'd be 60. Okay, this one has a broken guide.
That's a temperature warning.
I don't know how you get a temperature warning on a cold ass day like this in here.
That's components, computer components.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, this one needs a guide.
Yeah.
So now it comes down to what's easier to fix. A valve guide or a tap. And look at the other side.
I know, I saw that.
And a bad intake.
I saw that, yeah.
Oh, we got two things on this side that are bad. Sure, too. That can be fixed by putting a tap in the hole.
Yeah.
It'll probably be fine.
As long as you don't snap the tap in the hole.
This
Or else you
one-
get
this one
that.
over here, they broke the tap in the hole, which is not fine.
No.
So the question is, why is the tap broken in the hole?
Goobers.
Did they bottom the tap out in the hole, or they just jammed it up full of crap? Didn't know what the hell they were doing.
I'd take the ladder.
It has a lot of fungi on the one side there.
Yeah.
On the right side, see how the
Yeah.
flute's full? The other side of the flute's empty. So my guess is they're tapping through half aluminum and half steel because they didn't drill it on center. And they probably probably wadded it up in there, and then it broke. So you know what that means to get it out? It ain't gonna come out easy. That means the broken off stud is all curled around the tap right now, so now the whole thing is jammed up. You can't unscrew it because the hole will be like this. Figure eight.
Yeah.
So you ain't turning that out of that hole. Because I have a tool that goes in there and unscrews taps.
Yeah.
Broken. But that would not unscrew. That would have to be burned out.
Welded.
What's welding going to do? You can't unscrew
Weld a
it.
nut on that? You don't think we can try to?
I just
like,
said
wiggle?
you can't unscrew it.
I know.
I have the tool that goes in there that makes it turn.
Yeah.
But it doesn't rotate. It don't help you any. So that will not rotate. That has to be burned out to get that out of there. So then what comes to be easier to do? Burn that out and fix that, or put a valve guide on the other head?
I don't know.
Which one do you think is less work? Or go get another set of heads. You got another set of heads? You got two. You get three.
3 sets to make one.
We need one. We need a front head though.
Anybody out there got a front head?
S and S. There you go. Super stock. So what's easier? What's going to be easier to fix?
Valve guide?
Probably the valve guide. That'd be my guess. Valve guide is always easier to fix than broken taps. I'm assuming this has 2 bolts in it because it's got bolts in there right now. Might be threads in there.
They're tight too.
Next thing is you make